Dear friends, welcome to Aroma at Usha. Today I am going to prepare yellow pumpkin dum halwa. This is a very delicious recipe. Yellow pumpkin is very rich source of vitamin A. Also, it is rich in potassium, vitamin C. It also helps to boost our immunity. Please check the ingredients for this recipe in the ingredients list. To prepare this yellow pumpkin dum halwa, I have taken 500 grams of yellow pumpkin. I am going to chop it into pieces and blend it in a mixer jar. Instead of grinding, you can even grate it, but I prefer blending. I have ground this yellow pumpkin after chopping it into pieces. Now I am going to roast semolina. For this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee, that is clarified butter. Now the ghee is hot. Take semolina in 50 ml cup and roast it until nice aroma emanates. It's giving out nice aroma now. Now take roasted Beggar gram dal powder in 100 ml cup. Add it along with the semolina. Give a quick stir and switch off the flame. Don't allow it to burn. Transfer it in another plate and allow it to cool. Add 1.5 tablespoon of ghee. When ghee becomes hot, add the blended yellow pumpkin. Roast it until raw smell disappears. Mix it well such that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Now the raw smell is gone. Add the roasted semolina and Bengal gram dal powder. Mix well such that everything gets incorporated. After everything gets cooked well, add 300 ml of full fat milk. Mix it well. Cook until the pumpkin gets well cooked. Now the pumpkin is cooked well. I have taken 400 grams of jaggery powder and now I am going to add this to the mixture. As this jaggery powder is organic, it doesn't contain any impurities or dust particles, so I am going to add it as such. Mix it well. Now the jaggery has started to melt. Let the pumpkin get cooked in the jaggery. Stir well occasionally such that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of ghee and I am mixing it. it has started to thicken. Now I am adding 1 more tablespoon of ghee and mix it well. Now switch off the flame. Now allow it to cool. After cooling, it becomes thick like this. Now I have powdered 6 to 7 cardamom pods along with this jaggery, and I'm going to add this to the mixture. Next step is we are going to bake it. I have greased a baking tray and I'm going to transfer the contents to the tray. Now level it. Just a little amount of ghee on the top. Now I'm going to garnish it with grated almond and cashew nuts. After sprinkling the grated almonds, level it. Arrange it with cashew nuts. I have turned on the convection mode of my oven and I have preheated it. I'm going to bake it at 140 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes of baking, the cashew nuts have turned golden brown color and the almond, that is the grated almond, have changed its color. When you touch with your fingers, you can sense the dryness on the top. A delicious yellow pumpkin dum halwa is ready. Try this recipe and give your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.